Merch search at Islands of Adventure. The shopping begins. The first bit of merchandise we're going to see today will be in Marvel Superhero Island. Let's step inside this store and see what we can find. Superhero hoodie for $70. That's the back graphic right there. Captain America, Iron Man, Hulk, Spider-Man. They are inside of the hood as well. I'll show you the front of this hoodie, which is zip up the front, red at the bottom, those 4 superheroes on the left chest. Again, $70 to get this hoodie. Each of those superheroes you saw on the hoodie has its own hat for $27. That's the Hulk. Here is Captain America, Iron Man, and the Webhead, Spider-Man. Each hat is $27. Look at this cinch backpack for $35. The main superhero graphic. You've got a side pocket here. Actually, it's still in the back, but you can put like anything in there, like a water bottle or something like that. A zipper section on this side as well, in addition to the main compartment. Oh, and the straps, not just strings, has this little piece here to help you size it correctly for yourself. Look at some of this stuff behind the glass here. This piece is $120. The Iron Man, $350. They even have some theme park merchandise, Universal Studios merchandise. This quarter zip, black and gray, is $65. This one is the same price, $65. It feels a little thicker to me, a little heavier. It's a quarter zip as well, but it has a zip pocket on the left chest, as well as the pockets will zip up for your hands down here. $33 for the t-shirt, black, white, and gray. Universal Studios. Here is some Universal Studios branded Marvel merchandise. This t-shirt is $27. It's got your Marvel heroes on it, but the big Universal Studios logo on the front. This green hoodie goes one step further. It says Universal Orlando Resort and features the Marvel superheroes. Here's a look at the front of it. It zips up the front. Pockets right here. $55 if I hadn't said that already. And the front has the Universal Orlando Resort logo on it. Here's a hoodie, a black hoodie, featuring the Marvel villains, along with the Universal Orlando Resort logo. $55. It's just like the green shirt or green hoodie there. I'll go ahead and flip it around and show you the front as well. Same deal, zipped up the front, Universal Orlando Resort logo. $55 for either one of those. I previously showed you the Heroes Universal Studios t-shirt. Now the Villains. Same price at $27. Interesting, we have the Villains, and this logo is Universal Orlando Resort, whereas this is just Universal Studios. That's kind of interesting, or like why the difference? I think I'll step inside of the Spider-Man gift shop, not to show you Spider-Man, but Venom items. Like this t-shirt here for $27. That is a sharp looking graphic on the front of that t-shirt. $30 for this one? Huh. The other one I like better. It's like a little cheaper, but $30 for that one right there. And the most expensive one of the 3, $37 for this one. I mean, it is, yeah, it's pretty cool, but whoa. Is it $10 more than the first one? It is. Whoa, Spider-Man Uno for $15? Wow. The method for today's madness is just to show you stuff that catches my eye today. It may be new, it may not be new. It's just something that jumps out me. I feel it today, and I gotta show it to you. Let's see what merchandise captures my interest in Toon Lagoon now. Starting with the main store here. It's always a good idea to show some Hello Kitty merchandise, which is the gift of friendship. We have this bag here for $95. It is a Loungefly bag. Let me spin it around for you. Oh, let's kind of show you that in the back. There you go. One more spin. And there's something that kind of goes with it. Let me show you that too. This bag, our purse, is $85. That's one side. Here is the other side. Let's see if I can open it up and show you inside. There you go. That's the inside pattern of the bag. And the matching Loungefly Hello Kitty wallet is $65. There's both sides of it. And there's the inside. You're not going to have much money to put in your wallet once you've bought all three of those. Some pink Hello Kitty shorts, $35. So cute with Hello Kitty right there. Has pockets on it as well. And it goes with the top, which is $55. Kind of cut at the bottom here. There's your logo or graphic Hello Kitty and Friends. $55 for the top, $35 for the bottoms. A wall of Hello Kitty plushes, $30 each. Don't give me that face. Some, what is this, Gabby's? Yeah, Gabby's Dollhouse merchandise, the gift of play. This child's t-shirt art. This seems like a toddler size. These are really, really small. Must be like toddler size. $23. Yeah, that is smaller than child size. Same sizes for this one. Same price, $23. $25 for this Gabby's Dollhouse plush, whereas this other plush is just $22. $35 for the little purse. It's almost like a corduroy type fabric, if not corduroy. Okay. I'm so disappointed in myself. I should have gotten this for Halloween Horror Nights. I love it. $30. This store is closed. If I could ask it one question, it would be, what's the matter, you? Welcome to Jurassic Park. Roar, roar, roar. So there's the obvious reason why Universal keeps making Jurassic World, Jurassic Park movies, because they do well at the box office. But beyond that, if there's a new Jurassic Park or Jurassic World movie every few years, there's new Jurassic Park, Jurassic World merchandise to sell the kiddos. So let's step into Jurassic Outfitters and look at some Jurassic merchandise. And each new movie just happens to have a new type of dinosaur. Like this one here for $85. It was in the last movie. Has a try me button. Let's see here. Okie dokie. Oh, this is the perfect example. This little dinosaur was in the last movie, Jurassic World Rebirth, and I am 99% sure the only reason they put it in the movie is to sell the toy. What's the price? Oh no, they're not gonna make it easy on me. Okay, give me, oh, here we go. They did make it easy. $55. There's 3 new bags you can purchase at Universal, different sizes. This one's $5, that one is $7, and the large bag is $9. I do love all the signs. It looks like each sign is $40. I have this one in my garage right now. I like it because it's Jurassic Park, but also kind of has a state of Florida flag feel to it. But all of these are just, I like them all. I think they are a bit pricey at $40 though. But they're funny, they're clever, they're cute. Some Jurassic Park, Jurassic World Christmas ornaments. Various dinosaurs. These are $18. Kind of feel like felt. But it does appear they are making another Jurassic World movie. Therefore, once that movie is close to being released in theaters and after, we will have new merchandise to show you. Trust me, there'll be a new dinosaur in that movie we haven't seen before. A couple of unique things to show you inside of the Dino Store. First, let me show you this picture frame. 4x6 picture frame, $29. This is a good one. If you take a picture by the Universal Jurassic Park arch that they have here, put that picture in this frame. The cool stuff is behind glass though. Check out this Mr. DNA for $375. And then we have this, even more, at $875. Well, if you're a Jurassic Park fan, I mean, you'd be happy with either one of those. $525 for John Hammond's cane. And look at this. For a mere $550, the Barbasol can, you can catch up on years of dinosaur development for only $550. This is the spot I was suggesting you take a picture and put it in that frame. Another good spot would be a picture by the Jeep and the Spinosaurus. Into the Wizarding World, home to tiny, crowded shops. Let's see if anything catches my eye inside of Filch's Emporium. We have the Have You Seen This Wizard t-shirt for $30. $30 for this plush. I'm not sure if it is supposed to be a phoenix or just a fantastic beast. Here we have the Hogwarts Express behind glass. It is $160. Nice little display to put somewhere, wouldn't you say? Does Honeydukes have more than candy? Not really, other than this bag, this Honeydukes bag for $82. My wife Nikki actually has this bag, and then for $21, the Honeydukes mug. We actually own this as well. So, both of these items are in my house right now. Here's a better look at the mug. I don't think it was in focus as much as I would like in the last shot, but it is now. There's a few more non-candy or non-treat items in here too. The scarf is $12. The cooler bag is $35. That's right. It's a insulated, hold on a second, insulated Honeydukes cooler bag. Into the Lost Continent, where the most unique thing you can purchase in here, a psychic reading. And here's the price board for your psychic readings. Looks like the low of $25 and a high of $90, and various price points in between. One last pit stop into Seuss Landing, which, by the way, Merry Grinchmas, everyone. Inside of Snookers and Snookers Sweet Candy Cookers, you can get the gingerbread cookie sandwich for $9. So far, this holiday season, that is Nikki's and my favorite holiday cookie. Yes, we did like it better than the Grinch sugar cookie sandwich. So technically, the last couple things I've shown you, the psychic readings and the cookie, isn't really merchandise. So thank you for indulging me, allowing me to show those items as well. Inside of All the Books You Can Read store, a wall of various Dr. Seuss books at various prices. They seem to range, I checked a few, they seem to range between 10 and 20 bucks. From all the books you can read to all the things you can buy. That is it for today's video. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, and watch this next.